The world has changed more in the last 10 years than it has in the last 100 years, and most of it is due to social media.
Well, the Arab Spring swept away long-established dictatorships by young revolutionaries who didn't accept the status quo. And they were savvy. They tapped into social networking, whether it be Facebook or Twitter.
You see, people's attention span have never been shorter, and people now have more options than ever before. The traditional marketing methods don't work anymore. Radio, flyers, billboards, forget about it. That's a thing of the past. And so let me ask you this question. What is the most valuable currency in the world today? Would you guess the dollar, the euro, maybe the gold? No. In this new era, there is nothing more valuable than attention. If we go back all the way to the beginning of civilization, food was traded as currency until gold became a thing. And yet in the 1590s, salt became a necessity. Therefore, it was traded equally to gold. 1 ounce of salt was traded for 1 ounce of gold. In the 1800s, oil was finally discovered, revolutionizing the world as we know, becoming one of the most valuable commodities in modern time. Value is always changing to what people need the most. And in this new era, there is nothing more valuable than attention. The difference now is that you and anyone else can generate attention through social media, making it the best time for you to grow and scale any business. The more attention you have, the more influence you have. Views, comments, likes, followers, subscribers are the new currency, making millionaires every single day. November 9, 2016, Republican Donald Trump became the 45th president of the United States, all because of a very well-known bluebird called Twitter. Social media has proven time and time again that a single post, video, or tweet can move markets. April 26, 2013. A fake tweet cost the United States a loss of over $100 billion in under 4 minutes. Cristiano Ronaldo lost Coca-Cola $4 billion in 5 seconds. Elon Musk made Shiba grow 770% with a single tweet. YouTubers are selling out more boxing events than real professional boxers, and TikTokers are changing the music industry, making hits after hits. Modern social media has given us, small businesses, entrepreneurs, startups, a chance to compete with those huge corporate brands. Millions of businesses all around the world are getting millions of views, hundreds of thousands of sales, new customers every single day because of the new organic reach that social media has provided us. I've worked with hundreds of businesses and I've seen them blow up and get thousands and thousands of sales, get new customers every day because of the power that social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook have provided us. And here's the truth, right? The truth that no one is telling you about. 97% of people don't ever blow up. They don't get a single sale online. And the truth is, because there is a secret. Now just think about this for a second. With over 300 hours of watch time being uploaded on YouTube alone, what are the chances of you blowing up? And the secret is that here at Zeus Media, we don't leave things up to chance. We have years of experience. We've worked with hundreds of businesses. We have gotten amazing results, and we've worked with huge influencers, helping them launch their 7-figure businesses. And the fact that you're still here watching this video just proves how good we are at keeping attention and delivering the message, and that's what you need now more than ever. Our main goal here at Zeus Media is helping you build a social media following and make some sales. And we help you get there by simply applying our proven methods that we developed, we tested, and we optimized after years of getting real results online. This proven method has 6 steps to guarantee your success, whether you are an online business looking to make more sales, a coach looking to sell your online course, or maybe a local business looking to attract new customers. The point is, we've done it all. We have results to back it up. And so here's what you can expect from us. Our team of experts will conduct an extensive audience research to ensure that you don't have a disconnect from your audience. We want to make sure that you're reaching the right people to maximize your conversions. As a part of the creative process, we will also do an extensive keyword research to understand what your audience is looking for and develop a keyword strategy tailored to you with the goal to increase views and sales by ranking your videos to the keywords selected. To make sure that you have the best results, we'll take the burden of creating weekly video content off of your plate. With our professional video script creation service combined with the latest AI technology, we will hand out dozens of ready-to-record high-converting video scripts for you. Once you're 100% happy with the video script, you can record the videos on your own or take advantage of our video team to record all of the videos for you. It's your choice. Once the videos are done, our professional video editing department will ensure that your videos are polished and ready to be published. We'll then provide you with the best SEO and hashtag hack to ensure that your videos are easily discoverable on social media and are constantly getting recommended to in your audience. As a bonus, we'll provide you with a video clipping service that will allow you to share the most impactful moments of your videos across every single platform, like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, to maximize your results with the same effort. Last but not least, the analytics team will go through the data points to optimize the next set of videos. This way, you don't leave things up to chance. So if you want your business to blow up on social media and constantly get new leads and make sales after sales, click the button below and schedule a call with our team. This will be a 15 through 30-minute discovery session to see if we're a good fit for each other, to see if Zoos Media can actually help you get results, and if we can, then we will proceed with the next few steps. After all, we can't help everyone, plus we don't want to waste your time or our time. That's why this discovery session is extremely important. Again, we want to make sure that you qualify to work with us and that we can actually get your results and start making you some sales. So if this is something that interests you, click the button below, schedule a call, and I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.